Hi team, FULLEST again, Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Wake Up My Canal. So if you guys have seen my last video, me detangling my daughter's hair, and I told you guys I'm going to show you guys how I do the younger one. I go through the same process as you guys can see. This girl has finished 3 pack of biscuits just for me to detangle the hair. Like this girl, if you want to do this girl hair, it's like you have to bribe her. You have to give her something for you to do her hair. She's just eating. I've been looking at her. She just finished 3 pack of biscuits. You see how she's chewing very, very fast. And as soon as it's finished, she will start twisting the face. She'll be like, give me more. Because that's the only way I can keep quiet. So as you guys can see, me, I was in a hurry. I was doing fast. I was like, Bikonu, don't come and finish all my food in this house just because I want to do your hair. Oh. So her hair has grown so long. So I just want to show you guys what her hair look like. Her hair has grown so long. I'm super excited. Just to see how her hair is growing, and yeah, it's just the same process. Conditioner, my onions, oil, lukewarm water, shake it together, go in with the wild tooth comb, and then go in again with a very fine tooth comb just to make sure the detangle process is really good. And after detangle, I just kind of twist the hair again. I go through the same process like the way I did my older daughter. After that, I just add more conditioner, wrap the hair in a plastic bag, and just that process. Like the older one, she's getting older, so she's really getting to love doing her hair. But this one, she's 5 years, okay? So I'm not really like mad. Just that sometimes I'm like, Madam, can you just calm down with the eating? Like whenever it's time to do the hair, I have to go to the store and make sure I get some of these biscuits, or I either bake my own. But this weekend I was so tired. I wasn't in the mood of doing any baking, because normally I will make like bladerdeeg met worst. If you live in Holland, you know what bladerdeeg met worst. And sometimes I'll make cupcakes. I'll make different things. I'll make puff puff. But this weekend I was just so tired. I wasn't in the mood, so I went to the store and picked up some biscuits, some cakes, and that is what I was using to give her so that she can just keep quiet so I do the hair. As you guys can see, the biscuit has finished. Her face expression is getting changed. She's like, she's twisting. Yeah, it's painful. I do pain. Ik wil niet meer, meaning that it's painful. I don't want anymore. Can we stop? I want to go down. It's painful. But as soon as she puts food in her mouth, trust me, you will not hear any complaint. Like she really don't like doing her hair. But I'm like, you are a woman. You're a girl. You have to get used to. So now I'm kind of done because I was really fast. Her hair was not in any protective hairstyle. I just did like the puff, I just take the elastic band and hold the hair as puff. That's what I did. I did this really cool hairstyle on her. I purchased some of these hair accessories from Shane. I'll put a picture here so you guys can see. I purchased some of this hair accessory from Shane, and they're really beautiful. So when the hair was in puff, I just added some of these accessories and she loved it. So her hair was just in puff. I didn't braid her hair because she didn't want to braid her hair. So hopefully this week I will braid her hair, but I really need to like get enough rest because for me to braid, because when you are tired and you have a little child that doesn't want to braid her hair and she's crying, sometimes because of the tiredness and everything, you kind of get annoying and irritated. So that's the reason why I was like, she doesn't want it, let's just do some puff. And I'm really tired, so I don't want to get irritated and then get mad at her because definitely she's still very young. And yeah, so I was just showing you guys how much shedding she had. And I've also noticed that since I've been using like this hairspray, this my hair growth hairsprays that I have been making, my kid's hair doesn't really shed that much, especially the older one. Her hair doesn't really shed that much because of all these amazing herbs that I'm using on her hair. Their hair is really healthy. Her hair has grown, as you guys can see. I always like to go in with my onions oil. Like, this thing is amazing. I really love using this on the kids' hair, massaging it on their hair, putting it on the ends, and I really loved it. I'm gonna drop like few of the oil on my hand, and I'm going to like really massage the ends, the edges, just really massage. You guys can see her hair is getting so long. You cannot actually put the hair in a pony, just that not super super tight, because I didn't want her to cry, and so she was not feeling it anymore, because I tell her I'm not going to give you any biscuits anymore, I'm almost done. So she wasn't really feeling it. So I'm just taking some oil and I'm just really trying to like massage the edges, because I really don't like when the hair is looking healthy and the edges is looking somehow. So I really really focus on my kids' edges. My own is just a different story, but when it comes to my case, I really try to focus on the edges, and I just massage the hair very nicely. And she was loving this process. She was loving this process. This is the only part the kids like, when I'm massaging their hair, and she loves it. So we're done. I'm just trying to wipe the excess oil, and so I let her wear my clothes, because she was still in her PJs, and she was like, I don't want my PJs to get dirty because I want to wear it again this night. So I was like, okay, put on one of my old clothes. I'm about to put it in the washing. Just put it on so your PJs doesn't get dirty, because she was looking for an excuse not to do the hair. But anyway, we are done. She was happy. I am extremely happy because I am done. So now she's going to sit down, and I'm just going to clean the bathroom, because trust me, the bathroom floor, conditioner, and all the things. So I'm gonna clean. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out.